It's here.
Give me this. What is this?
This is how you open it. This is an unboxing for the people on Yardpunk, the world title. Just finally around. Here you get launch right at 1 minute. Yeah, there it is.
This is gonna be mine.
I have to take this garbage off of there.
This is mine. Yeah.
No, it's gonna be mine.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be mine. Please give me that.
No.
This is mine. It's mine.
Now y'all saw how all of us here in Yardpunk Wrestling, how much we feel right here in our chest this is for the World Championship of Yardpunk. But anyway, this is for everybody right there at home. We're gonna show you what the world title looks like. See, look at that. It is a fantastic shiny championship title. It is made out of solid gold and blue cowhide leather. You have your little snap so you can wear it when you're walking down the street or into the shopping malls or wherever you want to go. Yeah, and as you can see, it has the Yardpunk pumpkin right there featured in the middle, which is fantastic also. This is a very, very nice looking title belt of the world. And it says Yardpunk Wrestling on the side. And this title belt will be on the line at the upcoming Yardpunk Wrestling Presents Yardchella. So be there, like, subscribe, comment below, because you're gonna see a lot more of this title belt. And that is the final nail in the coffin.
My 12 pack. You, camera, I saw that Yardpunk title, and I want to be the winner. I want to beat that. I want to have that title strapped around my waist. Probably won't fit, but who cares? I need that title, and I'm going to try to win that match. And you guys are going to see it here in Yardpunk YouTube. I'm coming for that belt. That belt is mine. And anybody that stands in my way, you're gonna have to deal with me.